Hi, Marcy here from allstarbanners.com, and I wanted to show you some of our newest designs for soccer banners. Were you feeling hungry, a bit peckish when you picked your team banner name? Maybe needed a little bit of Dijon mustard for your sandwich? Or playing Candy Crushers on your lunch break? Well, if you were, we've got you covered. Whether you're hankering for sweet and savory, hot and spicy, or maybe you're just feeling a little bit nutty, we got that. From toxic strawberries and gumdrops, all the way to sour grapes, banana splits, and sweet peas, we can turn your favorite food into any soccer team banner. And remember, we can customize any soccer banner to your team's specification, including colors, graphics, backgrounds, and even switching from girls to boys or boys to girls. Come on now, admit it. Aren't you jealous?